I just got a new camera. W's in chat, thank you, thank you. So today's like a big vlog day because I got this new camera. I actually saw a video of someone using this and their friend was like, you look like you're recording with a Ring doorbell camera. There she is. Big Ring doorbell moment. Oh, dusty. The plan for today, we're going to head to Trader Joe's and then later I'm going to bake some kind of fall treat. Later, we're going to go to the Marina concert. Pop girly icons only. So it's gonna be a big fun day and I'm really excited. The best part of today, however, is that we are dog sitting currently and she is just the cutest, most perfect baby angel. Oh my God. Good morning, Michael. She's so annoyed. But do you see how beautiful she is? Good morning. She's like a wolf. I think she probably is a wolf. She's so cute. Skipping over all the vegetables. I'm so excited to try this. It looks delish. My fave. I'm so excited for this. Oh my God, we're back home. Hello, pretty girl. She's the most perfect baby angel. Oh, look at that nose. She's so cute. Small haul. My roommates and I love to get like little treats for each other. So brioche waffle. My roommate got the pumpkin spice one and it was pretty good. I showed this already, okay? Tomato soup, frozen strawberries, oat beverage. We also went to like a regular grocery store and this is my favorite cereal of all time. It is off-brand Fruity Pebbles Fruity Dino Bites. I don't like Fruity Pebbles. Don't get me started on it. Oh yeah, I also got this maple cold foam. It's so good. I'm gonna put these away, make some coffee. Girl, the world is our oyster, truly. I was listening to Marina in the car to prepare for the concert tonight. I am so excited. Nice and aesthetic. I know I am like doing some freak angles on the camera today. Girl, I don't know what I'm doing, okay? I'm just excited to have a new camera and just do new things. Okay, so here's my breakfast. Just kidding, but I'm allergic to dogs. And then this is me like rubbing my face and everything all over her because she's so cute. The boys in the house are going to the micro center today. And so while the boys are away, the girls, me and Miss Ma'am over there, we're gonna bake a fall treat. I'm just waiting for them to leave because they just kind of ruin the vibe. You know what I mean? Like a man in the house ruins the vibe. I think I'm gonna make pumpkin cream cheese muffins because I'm crazy. I'm crazy today. Hi, pretty girl. She's so perfect. Look at her big paw. You're so perfect. You're so perfect. I'm so obsessed with her. Oh, yay. It's just the girlies. She's so cute. She's sleeping, but the sun is directly on her eyes. You know what? I'm just gonna let her be because she's enjoying it. Okay, Miss Girl. And like the way she's laying off of her bed. She's so cute. She's so cute. It's time to get cooking. I've already done a video where I have flat out like made this, so there's no point in like giving detailed instructions for this. Girl, just sit back and relax. Last time I made these, I messed them up. They were a little bit burnt. It made me feel genuinely really sad, so these are redemption muffins. So as long as I don't mess them up, we're gonna be good. And today's gonna be a great day, but if I mess them up, this is gonna be a bad day for everyone. Okay, not just me. These look so good. These won't have cream cheese and these also won't have cream cheese. They look so good. The timer has been set and now it's time for everyone's favorite part. The time lapse of me cleaning. I still have to make some, so I'm gonna have to clean again later, but like whatever. Okay, let's get into it. I got overheated. I don't know if you've seen people do this where they like put their sweater off their shoulders and then tie it in the back. This is very cute from the front, especially like this little like detail here, but the back is a hot mess. I don't know how you do the back without it looking horrible. Like you're like, girl, yeah, we can tell you took off the sleeves and tied it. The dog is sitting here watching me talk to myself. I'm feeling a little judged, but I'm gonna keep going, okay? Don't listen to the haters. Definitely not done yet, but they're looking delish, I think. Miss Sous Chef over here. Hello. You're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. Oh my God, she's so perfect. Girl, Miss Girl. Some of them do look a little done. Girl, get away from the open oven. Oh my God, my anxiety can't handle this. These look pretty good. I'm going to try one, but I want to try the worst looking one so that no one has to be subjected to it. It's so hot. It's burning my hand a little. Oh God, it's so hot. This is what the inside looks like. Look at the top. The cream cheese is so good. Oh my God, it's so hot. Okay, actually, I am very hungry. Today's a big cooking day, apparently. I am going to show you my hyper-fixation meal. So I'm gonna make rice. I may be white, but I do wash my rice, okay? Don't come for me. And then I'll show you what's for lunch. To be transparent, I don't think I'm making gyoza right, but I'm doing the best I can. I think you are traditionally supposed to use oil. That's how my roommate taught me, but I keep forgetting to get oil. So I'm just going to use butter. I can't with this. It looks like I have a tail. I just greased this thing up. As you saw when I went to Trader Joe's, I picked up these chicken gyoza pot stickers. I just let these crisp up on the bottom a little bit. I just keep checking them because I don't want to burn them. So I'm just gonna add the water. This is by far my least favorite part. Woo! And now they just steam. Wee bit burnt. Just a little shoyu on the rice and just a little on the gyoza. I know you're traditionally supposed to dip it, but for this, I just like to pour it over. And then Trader Joe's chili onion crunch. And that's it. Look how delicious this looks. It's steaming and I don't particularly like my food to be super hot. So I'm just gonna sit here in my own company and enjoy this. God, to be home alone, baking things with a big, fluffy, cute dog, it's a dream come true. Honestly, I don't have much going on until the Marina concert. So I think I will check back in when it's time to get ready, pick out an outfit and all of that. So I'm very, very excited. I've done it once again. For real, one last thing before I go, I plated these and they look so cute. Oh my God, I'm so happy with these. Okay, time to get ready. I don't know why I do this to myself constantly. We are leaving at 7 p.m. It is 6:27. Just gonna do some light makeup. I already have my outfit that I want to wear. It's gonna be cute, kind of cozy because it's been cold these days. Yeah, nothing too heavy on the makeup, just like light, easy breezy. I love this, like just the girls getting ready. My fave thing. Ignore the mess. That is the only thing with a wider lens is that you're gonna see more, which is good. That's the goal, but girl, you're gonna see it all. Makeup done. by 10 minutes. This is a life hack that I do where I set a timer for myself to keep me on track because I don't want people to have to wait for me. I talk about this in like any of my get ready videos. I'm 26, like I can't make people wait for me. And so this is what I have found that works best for me. Oh my God, I need a second. My eyebrows are not looking, literally did my makeup so fast, but I want to do the little heart. And I know she does a star now, okay? She's perfect. I have 3 minutes left for my makeup. I am killing it. I think I am just going to do 2 braids in my hair to just like keep it out of the way. Speed running. I'm killing it these days, yes. I feel like I should not be as proud of myself as I am for like being on time like an adult, but it's only in regard to getting ready. Any other time I'm on time getting ready, it's like my one thing, but I'm killing it these days, yes. Timer up for makeup, but that's okay because we're on hair, and I will give myself 6 minutes to finish my hair and get dressed. Cute, I guess. Okay, here is the outfit. I have on this like long round top, this black mini skirt. Sorry, I am. And then look at this cute little like overcoat. And then I'm wearing black boots. No bag because I'm gonna have my boyfriend carry it. I'm only going to vlog a tiny teensy weensy bit because I'm trying to hang up and hang out as much as possible these days. Oh yeah, just like jewelry, my bow Kate Spade ring, and then my little butterfly ring. Okay, I'll see you there. Bye.
One soul dares to level up.
Wow, I just needed to do a little tiny recap. She was so good. She had such good storytelling, such good visuals. She even mentioned 2012, 2013 Tumblr a few times. She sounded amazing. Costumes so cute. Yesterday was a great day. It was healing, okay? Also, I have my routine on. You can tell. Thanks for hanging out. I will see you next time. Bye!